Sir, you're my friend.
An bhfuil cadagam dulamach mar sin do hall.
Tá's go an gachtain array?
Táimid Ray. Yes.
Yes,
Not the style.
No, I'm lost already.
Okay. So, number 1. Identify the adverb in this sentence. She ran quickly to the bus. The adverb.
The adverb. She ran quickly to the bus.
Has to be one of them words.
Well, obviously, that's it.
Right, okay. I think I'm wrong. Shut up, Warren.
Is it quickly, Myrn?
Don't be telling him.
Okay.
Right. Oh, we have to reveal it, do we?
Yeah, let's see the
quickly.
answers.
Quickly.
And the answer is quickly.
Yeah. Why? Now, what's wrong with that?
Sorry.
Brilliant.
All right, yeah.
Number 2.
It's okay. Next one.
How do you spell the word definitely?
Oh,
Very common misspelling in schools.
Don't be looking at mine.
I'm going to get this wrong. D-E-F-I-N. See, I've dyslexia.
Try your best. Right, let's see the 2 answers. So, the correct spelling is D-E-F-I-N-I-T-E-L-Y.
Oh, yeah.
All right.
I got it wrong.
You're my favourite.
I got it wrong.
Next one.
Question number 3. What do we call words that sound the same but have different meanings?
Say that again.
They sound the same but have different
Are
meanings.
you telling me someone in sixth class knows these questions, these answers?
They do, yeah. This is one they actually do know. So, for example, like break time and I break something. Same sound, different word.
Yeah.
What's the name
what's
for them?
the question?
I don't know.
So what's the word for them?
I don't know.
We going to pass?
Pass.
Yeah.
The answer is a homophone.
Sorry,
what?
Homophone.
You can't be using that kind of language.
Can't be using that kind of language.
I mean,
a homophone.
A homophone.
So if I was called a homophone,
It means you sound the same as something else, but you're different.
Alan Hughes sounds like something else with a different meaning. Go on, quickly.
So, maths. What is 25% of 160?
well,
25
25% of 100 is 25. 160 is... Look at the... 40.
And the answer is 40.
Yes. Thanks, sir. Who's winning stuff?
The next one is, what is the name of a 7-sided shape?
Oh, seven-sided. Something sphere. A what?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a
Hepasphere.
No. I was going to...
Look, there actually are 2 answers here.
Septagon.
Yeah, a heptagon or a septagon.
A heptagon or septagon.
We're out of time.
Seriously, we're out of time.
Out of time.
Thank you,
Sir,
teacher.
thank you so much. You're amazing.
Say goodbye.